Good morning, traders. My name is Samuel Okoyeocha. So this is you for Land of the Rising Sun. Today, Saturday, 13th day of April 2024. I want to bring you the advanced method of Elliott Wave analysis as I do every week. If this is the first time you are watching my video, please like, share, subscribe. Join my Telegram channels, 2 of it. There are 2. We share chats, ideas, we discuss, ask questions. Then if you want to join my mentorship, I check little money to join. You will see my phone number at the bio of this video. The number is on WhatsApp and Telegram. Contact me. I tell you what you're gonna do to join. Within 6 months to 2 years, depending on how fast or the time you have to learn, you will be okay. And once again, I don't charge twice. You only pay once. Then you are good to go. So don't be afraid of the cost. I don't charge you much. And right now, I still have the time to attend to your one-on-one lesson. I still have the time to do that. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. So let's dive into the business. DSY is still going up. This is daily chart. Will it end here, or will it go all the way to this zone? So this is what I'm thinking is going to happen. It's because of this zone drop a little and go up again. So I expect 108 to 110 on DSY. Okay, so let me show you 4 hours. So on 4 hours, I expect it to correct towards 105.2 to 104.8 before going up again. Then this up move will likely go all the way to this zone. So another big buying opportunity is coming on DSY. If you miss if you miss this buy, if you missed this if you miss to buy from here and to buy from here, don't miss when this will drop to buy. Okay. Meanwhile, on this week's analysis, this week's week and next, focus on yen pairs. The big drop we are expecting have either have started or will soon start. Okay, USD card, because of this sideways, I expected it to drop, you know. I expected to do what? To drop from here. To do something like this. But it didn't happen. Meanwhile, I didn't sell because I'm looking for setup. I didn't find it. Right now, it is still buying. It will still likely buy once more before dropping. Then there's something important I would not like to ignore on daily time frame on USD. Let me show you. The USD card is printing an expanding triangle. So I can't ignore it. So this is A, B, C, D. So if this ABC works out, it becomes expanding triangle. Then from here it will buy. But if this keep buying, then I will ignore it and count this as A, B, C. Then this 1, this is 2, and so on. But for now, this is what I think will likely happen. But no confirmation yet. So just to have that in mind, that it will likely happen. USD chef are looking for it to drop. It's been going up for a while, and I have seen the signs of exhaustion on the bullish move. The bullish move don't have strength anymore. So I have closed all my long positions, and I will advise you either to close them or move your stop to break in, because the remaining price move might be a 1 hour time frame, which the market can ignore. So maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, a little move up. So be careful, because you may not get that move up. It may just move a little and return with speed. Be careful. on USD shelf. Signs of reversal is everywhere. If you know them, USD is dropping, nothing to explain, is dropping as we predicted. So the question now is, we need to reverse from here and go down and go up, or it will come down to here. For me, what I think will happen is that it's gonna maybe go a little deeper, do this before buying. Meanwhile, it may even make a deeper down, something like A, B, C. So let us focus on this one first to know what happens here. Okay, so when we go to the bridge, we shall cross it. So for now, let's focus on this. But mind you, this can still happen before it will now buy. So going back to 1 4-hour time frame, nothing to explain on 4-hour time frame other than to look for sell setup. To look for sell setup and sell again. I think the reversal will not happen now. Okay. For instance, this is what I mean. Let me use this reversal button as an example. When you see the reversal button, the reversal means that it will do this, but it can just make a correction and go up again. So what happened here may happen here again. We were looking for it to go up again. It will just drop. So that's why I said I'm still looking for selling. Okay, so let's move. Pounds USD. I'll show you daily and we move because nothing to explain. I've been saying this for more than 3 months now, or 2 months. But the only pattern that makes sense to me is this big drop, this big ABC. And now it seems it's out confirmed. So since we're confirmed, so let's go down to 4 hours. So on 4 hours, instead of WXYXZ, it will likely be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is what we call leading diagonal. In that case, we may get A, B, C. Then it will drop heavily. So this becomes 1, this becomes 2. Whether it is here or it is here, doesn't matter. Okay, so now let's focus on what happens after this drop. We now know what we're gonna do. So that's for pounds USD. The next is AUD USD. AUD USD. Let me show you daily because there's something I'll show you on daily. AUD USD. Are we getting this drop? We may not get it because to me, this place serves as put something there. This place serves as as support. Okay. Then we have another support here. So now, if this is wave 1, it's then will not come down below this place. But if it comes below this place, then it will not break this support because if it breaks it, it doesn't make sense anymore. Because this is clear 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then all these can be wave 2, which must have ended here. So what happens here will determine whether we are buying from here or we are breaking this zone. So it calls for caution. Or I will advise you to forget about AUD USD now and focus on using the USD. So the 4 hours suggests that the price is still going down. Okay, so that's what it suggests. So now let's go to using the USD. That's where I have interest because it is easier to trade than AUD USD. So using USD, let me show you daily. Daily chart. The daily chart is a very nice pattern. You can see it. And this one did not move as expected. It made double correction, so let me clean it, remove it. This one have almost completed. After this one, so now daily on daily chart is clear. You see this sharp move, you see this correction, you see this impulse, you see this correction. So it will likely end 0.5884, 0.5805. So that is easier for me than AUD USD. So unless you like to do complex things, but AUD is being complex, which I don't like. So focus on using the USD. Once the price comes to this zone, look for buy. Don't waste time, because this buy may last 2 months if you can hold. If not, you will keep opening and close. So I said before, focus on yen pairs. So this looks corrective in nature, but it will turn out to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is leading diagonal. A, B, C. With 2, 3, 4, 5. So if this happens, this is what will likely happen. Okay. Though it can still be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 with A, B, C with B, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 with C and go up. I don't know, but whichever way, as time goes on, we will see them. I'm giving you all the options available. USD, USD, sorry, JPY, we likely get the final lead before the heavy drop. You might get price that will go above 165.42 before the heavy drop. Secondly, the pattern shows we will get something like this. The pattern shows we will get something like this. Let me print this. What I'm seeing shows that we will get something like this from here, but not a must. Let me say it's not a must, because if the market, let me not go to daily. If the market drops again and break this channel, forget it, it will likely begin to drop from here. So, and the minimum is 152, 150 zone. Okay, so this final leap, you may ignore it, or if you must trade it, minimize your use smaller lot size and use lower time frame to trade it, 1 hour 15 minutes, so that you'll be able to get out or at break even or take a little loss if it doesn't respect it. Because why? This can be with 1, 2. You may expect to go up as expected. It's just reverse small, and to do it to drop, give us a heavy drop. So be careful. USD JPY. I don't have much to say on this. I've been saying show you daily charts for a long time. So my target is here, 154.8, 156.1. This is my target before the heavy drop starts. And as I said, I have seen the signs of exhaustion. The buyers and being exhausted. So you may not get there. As a matter of fact, since the market has given us a new high, is now ripe for dropping. Okay. France JPY, just like JPY. This is what I expected for it to reverse from here. Either correction after the big drop, or it can give us a new high, just like what I saw on Euro JPY. Something, okay, sorry, I put it something like this, to this upper channel before the heavy drop. So the markets have the final sell. I don't have the final sell. Or you will not get that high. You may get something similar to this. Something like this from here. and the dropping will start. So nobody knows. As the market continues, we're following it. That's one of the reasons you have to join my Telegram channel, because I always keep updates. Here I make video once a week, but on our Telegram channel, I share chats whenever I have time. Okay, good. I shared gold charts yesterday on my Telegram. 1 month, 1 week, daily, 4 hours, 1 hour. Because there's something I saw that maybe share it. I'll not be going there right now. So if you want to see the 1 month charts, how I labeled it, 1 week charts, and so on, go join my Telegram channel. So now I'm focusing on this drop. Gold is about to drop. The drop that we see gold at 21.95, 21.20, or even below. Okay, so silver the same thing. I prepared the monthly, weekly, daily silver charts. After this video, I'll post it on my Telegram channel. So if you want to see it, join the Telegram channel. I'm expecting silver to drop. Mind you, silver, if what I saw on monthly is what will happen, then silver is on its way to $17, 18, 19. So, but right now, I'm looking for a drop, at least 12.25, 24. Okay, for now, that's for silver. Platinum, also, platinum, I didn't even expect this move of platinum. This is what I was expecting. I was expecting that after this move, it will go down, but it made what we call double correction. Though it's complex, because this looks like this is an expanding flat, but it keeps going up. So I don't expect it to keep going up. I'm expecting it to drop from here, maybe towards 800, maybe at least a new low anyway, 860 zone towards 800. So look for sell setup. If you don't know what sell setup is, join my Telegram channel. I will always drop trade setup. Then if you want to learn, contact me. You pay the 2 money and you learn. US oil. Also, I'm looking for sell on oil. I'm looking for sell on oil, but I haven't gotten set up yet. Though it will drop. Okay, now let me show you something. For those of you who trade candle pattern, who trade only candle pattern, you see this pattern. What do you call it? Inverted hammer or whatever. You know what it means? Adversarial pattern. It's not very, this something about there's week here, here, say 82 weeks. So you know what the inverted hammer is. You see this one again. So there are so many patterns that suggest that oil will drop based on 4 hour time frame. Sorry, on daily. But sometimes lower time frame ignores overrides higher time frame. So now what we call is outside for those who trade price action. This is what we call outside the world, outside the game candle also. So this candle is bigger than this, both in and out. So there is another reversal pattern. So oil have given us candle patterns that suggest it will begin to drop. So if you go down to 1 hour, 15 minutes, you can even find setup that you need to trade this coming week. US 100, NASDAQ, I expect it to drop, but nothing confirmed yet. But at least you can see, I don't ignore any technical trading strategy. Channeling is another one. You don't ignore it. So this channel has been broken and it couldn't make a new high. It's dropping again. If it breaks this place, I will look for sell. Or if it gives me set it up with this drop, I will sell. Okay, SP 500 has broken this channel. So at least this drop is expected. Why I put this? You may get another move up, but I don't want to buy it. If it's going up, I don't want to buy it, because after all this move, the market will be correct. At least 821 before going up again, but I think we're gonna get this big drop. US30 have started to drop since last week or last 2 weeks. What them at this? Okay, let me check the date. Anyway, it has started to drop. So any move up, it will sell again. German DAX is dropping also. He has broken the channel, is now dropping. So what next is you look for sell setup. Okay. Let me make some calculations on this one. Correction from here to here. At least we're gonna get to 50% or 61.2. So if it enters this zone, we now check what happens, whether it will go up or it will correct to go down again. For now, let's keep waiting. Meanwhile, selling it from here, I don't like the idea. If it didn't sell for this correction here, you can leave it and wait for another setup. DAX. Oh, Dow. Last week I said we are expecting it to sell. So it's selling again. Any correction upwards, you join the sellers. The selling this. The selling will likely be much because it has been going up for a long time. Okay. I don't cover this. I do JPY. I'm on yen pays, but I don't cover it. So let me go to other things. Okay, so but you can see this is like wave 1, wave 2. It will continue to drop. This will continue to drop. Give us A, B, C. Drop again. But for now, I don't cover it here, but I post it on my Telegram channel. So let's go to BTC and I will conclude. BTC, we have two, okay, let me check daily. BTC, what I'm looking for is this zone, 59,399, 60,310, and so on before the buying. Though it may not happen anyway, but taking as a technical trader, I don't ignore technical patterns. So now this looks like an ABC, which is a reversal pattern. Okay, so now are we going to get this move up? Are we going to get this? Because this is the next thing I'm looking for. Though what I'm looking for is that the price will drop lower. Now, I'm not comfortable to trade from here. Before I will buy, it will break this channel. Then I know that it has broken the channel. If not, it can still make correction. Okay, let me go to 1 hour. 1 hour. It can see make correction and begin to go down. For instance, this is another, let me give you another pattern. This is another pattern. This is A, B, C. So the market, the Bitcoin can come to this zone and begin to go down. So I know all these. I'm not in a haste to buy. Unless if you're a scalper, once you buy, you wait for it and close it up or move to break even. Because to me, this can be A, B, C, which is W, X, Y. So it may keep going down for now. So I don't control the market. I follow the market. But what happened in the past, I predict the future. That's what I do. That's forecast. That's analysis. So if you are buying from here, If it favors you, fine. If it didn't favor you, you learn from it. I've had enough experience that I don't gamble again in the market. Before I trade, I get a clear pattern because there are lots of instruments to trade from. I don't focus on one. That's why I analyze so many markets. If this one doesn't give me a good pattern, I focus on another one. Let me also show you Ethereum. Ethereum, then I will conclude. Ethereum, US dollar. Wow, Ethereum is making a heavy drop. Let me check it daily. Last time I visited Ethereum, this spot it's been long. I predicted that it will give us this and begin to drop. But wave analysis remains the best. I mean, you can open a chart and see what will happen in the next 6 months. It's just so wonderful. You can open a chart, see what will happen in the next 6 months, and it will happen. I mean, it's amazing. So now let me tell you again what will happen. What will happen again on Ethereum? Ethereum, this is what you likely see on Ethereum. Watch out for 2672, 2424 on Ethereum. Unless there's a truncation. But watch out for this price. Watch out for this price. Okay, I think I will conclude here. Nothing to share again. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Ask your questions, join our Telegram channel, join mentorship if you need it. Thank you, and God bless you. Bye.